back to my channel. My name is Ishika and today I'm here with my sister Anika.
Hey guys.
We'll be playing, actually testing, which one of us knows the other better.
I think I'm gonna win.
No, I am definitely going to win.
No, I'm gonna win.
No, that's not even possible.
We'll see.
Yes, so let's get into it.
So, you start with the first question?
Yeah, so it's basically a competition between the both of us to see which one of us knows the other better.
We'll be asking each other a series of questions, and whoever answers the most correct, they win.
Yes, and after one of us asks the question, both of us will write the answers and they should match to get a point.
Yeah.
Okay.
So start.
Yep. The first question: what is the name of the university and the college I study at? Just to clarify, the name of the university and the college is different.
Huh?
The university has various colleges and I am a part of one college. So you have to name both.
My spellings might be wrong.
That's fine. 3, 2, 1. That is my major. College is
What?
Arts and Sciences.
Oh,
College
I
of
didn't
Arts
know
and
that. I know
Sciences.
there was university in Cincinnati. I didn't know the college.
Okay, so you get half point.
Yeah. Okay, so my first question is really easy.
Mm-hmm.
What is my favorite color?
Oh.
No, you saw mine.
I've already written.
Okay.
मैंने उल्टा भी I flipped it also.
Yeah, it's
Turquoise blue.
turquoise-ish blue. I know that only.
So I have 1 point. You have half point.
I'll win. You see.
Okay, we'll see.
Yeah.
My
we'll see.
next question. What is my favorite series? It's Alexa and Kitty. I've watched that series like 4 or 5
Yeah, but
times.
you listen songs.
Yes, because there are no songs in Alexa and Katie except
I
that
didn't know
one
that.
Count
You
on
see,
Me.
you see so much of
High School Musical, the musical, the series.
It's such a big name, but yeah.
That
I thought
series, the season 2 just started. So obviously I will be talking about that.
But still, I thought that was a favorite. I forgot about Alexa and Katie.
I thought you would get this right.
No, I thought I forgot about Alexa and Katie. It
Okay.
just flew out of my mind. Okay, so what do you think I prefer, snow or the beach?
Good question.
Please get it
3,
wrong.
2, 1. Snow.
I thought you'd get that wrong. I
Even
wanted
I
you to
prefer-
get that wrong.
Even I prefer snow over beach, even though I
Yeah.
love the beach.
Yeah, I love the beach, but still, snow.
Snow is snow.
Yeah.
Okay, my question. What is the first thing that I do after waking up in the morning? The very first thing. Three, two, one.
Yeah.
Okay,
Finally,
good.
okay, I go. No, yesterday only, no? I woke her up and she was like, I was telling, fast, come, we have to eat breakfast. And she was like, she was just sitting in a chair and she was drinking water.
The body gets dehydrated after 6, 7 or 8 hours of sleep.
I don't drink water immediately after waking up.
You're weird, not my fault.
Okay, so what is my zodiac sign? You know this, I guess.
Yes, because I always used to get confused between yours and mine.
3, 2, 1.
Scorpio, whatever it's spelling.
Scorpio. I researched.
Obviously.
Yeah. Okay.
Mine is Sagittarius and I always used to forget how to
Yeah.
pronounce that.
I saw yours also because I thought you'd say that.
Next question. How would you describe me in one word? There is not one particular answer, but it should be something that I agree with. You can write 2, 3 also, but 3 is the max.
No, I'm saying 1.
Okay, I don't know what to
that is
write.
how you say it, but it's, I guess that's how you say it. I have no idea what you wrote. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Maniac!
I mean, you're kind of obsessed with dance. Is it right? It's right, okay?
Okay, fine. Dance maniac. Yeah, okay, fine. You get a point.
Sporty, artistic, kind. Yeah, I mean,
Usually when you say you describe a person,
that's the first thing that came in my mind. Dance.
okay, that is true. But then when such a question is asked, it's basically how you would use adjectives to describe.
So that's why I put maniac in there. Not only dance.
Very good.
So the next question is,
How many points do you have? Are you even keeping
I
tally?
have 1
and a half.
and a half, yeah. So how do I
Oh,
put
so I'm
half?
winning.
Yeah, you have 3. You have double. I put this
Tally.
for half.
Okay,
Okay.
great. Oh yeah, you're
Okay. What I hate, don't like at all. And you're gonna get this right. I know that.
3, 2,
1.
Carrot peas.
No, peas are okay. So I'll give you
They're
half.
okay now.
Yeah,
Hey, but I wrote carrots. I should get a full
No,
point.
I want to give you half.
Revenge. What grade was I in when I started playing basketball?
Supposed to know.
I'm not looking.
I don't.
Oh, close enough.
6.
6th grade.
That's right. I got right.
No.
Yeah.
You get half a point.
Okay.
So you can draw that half completely.
So I get at least 2.
And I'm a 3.5.
That doesn't.
I'm guessing
count.
you have a last question.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So if I win a lottery or something like that, what do you think would be my first purchase? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Chicago, I knew it was Chicago.
Yeah. This doesn't count.
Why?
You wrote 3.
Yes, because then what would you buy? You could
I wrote
buy
what would
laptop,
I buy
you
first.
could buy...
I said what would I buy first.
Exactly.
First.
And you have never talked about this. So I mean, I will obviously have to just
so
guess.
you should know me now.
And the last question, since you are very low on points, if you get this right...
2 points. And then it will be a tie because
Wait,
I
I
give you
got-
half for that. So it will be yours is 4 now. And mine
Okay.
is 2.
Fine.
So it will be, we'll have a tiebreaker then.
Alright. What is the color of my eye and you cannot look?
Wait. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
It's brown.
I wrote brownish black. It looks brown and light. And I didn't write exactly brown because when I see it like this and not in the light, it looks black. That.
Okay, fine. You get 2 points as well.
Okay, so for the tiebreaker, we are each going to ask a question and
Whoever
we'll
gets
see.
it right wins, and if we both get it right,
then we
then
both. It's a
yeah.
tie then.
So what is my go-to clothes? If you
Okay. It's probably going to be wrong. 3, 2, 1. t-shirt or hoodie plus
When do I wear
shorts.
leggings? I don't even own a leggings.
So I get half.
Yes.
So my next question is, when I was young, what do you think my favorite book series was? Book.
Mouse. That mouse one. Thia's. Oh, okay.
3, 2,
2, 1.
Oh,
I won. Okay, wait. So you have 4.5.
yeah, and then you have
I
5.
have 5. So that means I win. That is it for this week's video, and obviously I won. So that means I know my sister better than she knows me.
No.
Yes.
Okay, whatever.
Okay. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.